Hey, what's going on? I'm Jason Poole. I'm an industrial designer and I'm also a maker.
I'm Todd Trout, and I'm a Solidworks engineer. Together, we're going to get you started with Solidworks xDesign for Makers.
With this package, you have access to the next generation of tools that'll give you the power to create anything. These apps were created by Solidworks and run in your web browser, making them accessible from anywhere. They are also the perfect tools for sharing and collaborating with others. I'm super excited to show you the power of xDesign. We're going to tackle a real-life project from start to finish, and watching this will definitely give you an edge when you create your own design and build projects.
That's great. I can't wait to see what we're going to make. Now, as you're watching this, feel free to jump around in the video series and check out the parts you're most interested in. We'll start out with a quick review of the SOLIDWORKS xDesign package and a few things to do the first time you sit down with it.
All right, Todd, but then we're going to jump right into the project, right? Because you know that's the best way to learn, and it's also the most fun. I do have an idea for the design in mind that'll require both 3D modeling and some subdivisional modeling as well, for those organic, tricky shapes.
Well, then we got to make it, right? We'll show you how to get that done, and I've even got a couple of tricks up my sleeve to show Jason along the way.
Yeah, okay, Todd. I look forward to that. And you know what? We're definitely going to have fun along the way. But the bottom line is, if you have SolidWorks xDesign for Makers, we're going to get you started, get you ready to design and make stuff right away.